The Meghalaya BJP seems quite keen to try its hand in the upcoming MDC elections. BJP leader A.L. Haq said that political parties are meant to contest elections and the party should contest any election, whether it is MDC, MLA or even MP elections. As far as candidates are concerned, he said that it is too early to say anything as even elections have not been announced.
Political parties is meant to contest elections. So since we have the election, whether it is the MP election, MLA election or the MDC elections, whatever elections, party should contest. Candidate to now is too early to say because not even the election is announced. By the time the election is announced, the candidate also will take interest. But who are the potential candidate to contest for the party, that we have to be screened.